The 2025 Volvo Motorhome is one of the most exciting entries in the recreational vehicle market, blending Volvo's legendary safety and innovation with the freedom of a mobile lifestyle. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling example of how luxury, sustainability, and intelligent design can come together for life on the road. Let's start with the core of what makes this vehicle special, the chassis and powertrain. Volvo has leveraged its extensive experience in commercial trucking and premium automotive design to create a platform that's stable, smooth, and responsive. Underneath, it's built on a modified version of Volvo's heavy-duty chassis, adapted for both comfort and performance. The motorhome is powered by Volvo's next-gen hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, which significantly improves fuel economy while reducing emissions. The system intelligently switches between electric and diesel power depending on terrain and speed, giving you a seamless drive while still having enough torque to handle steep inclines or heavy towing. For those more inclined toward green technology, Volvo is also offering a fully electric version, with a projected range of up to 300 miles on a full charge. Fast charging capability ensures that even longer journeys aren't interrupted too much. An 80% charge takes around 40 minutes using Volvo's V-Charge stations, which are now popping up along major RV routes across North America and Europe. Driving the 2025 Volvo Motorhome doesn't feel like piloting a bulky, awkward vehicle. Thanks to adaptive air suspension and advanced steering assist, it handles more like a luxury SUV than a traditional RV. Volvo's IntelliRide system uses real-time road data to adjust suspension and torque distribution, making winding mountain roads or bumpy backcountry trails feel smooth and manageable. Visibility is excellent, and the panoramic digital display provides a full 360-degree view using a network of external cameras. Combined with lane keeping assist and crosswind stabilization, it creates one of the safest and most comfortable driving experiences in the segment. Moving to the exterior, Volvo has done a stellar job of making the motorhome both aerodynamic and attractive. Unlike many boxy RVs, this design is sleek, with contoured lines and a dynamic front grille that echoes Volvo's current automotive language. LED lighting runs along the sides and roof, not only for visibility and safety but also to add a touch of Scandinavian elegance. Retractable solar panels are integrated into the roof, providing supplementary power for off-grid use, ideal for remote camping or reducing your footprint while traveling. Entry into the motorhome is keyless, of course, and you're greeted with a soft glow interior lighting system that adapts to time of day and mood. Inside, the first thing you'll notice is the unmistakable Volvo minimalism: clean lines, natural materials, and intelligent space use. Real wood accents, vegan leather upholstery, and a choice of ambient lighting themes make the cabin feel more like a boutique hotel than a recreational vehicle. The interior layout is modular, meaning you can customize it to fit your lifestyle. The standard floor plan includes a queen-size Murphy bed, a convertible sofa, a dining nook, and a galley kitchen complete with induction cooktop, convection microwave, smart fridge, and a deep sink with filtered water tap. Every appliance is energy efficient, optimized for both shore power and battery use. Storage is abundant, with cleverly concealed compartments under floors, behind panels, and even inside seating. The bathroom setup is compact but luxurious. A rainfall shower, composting toilet, and smart ventilation system come standard, all designed to maximize water conservation. Volvo's EcoFlow water system includes greywater recycling and a UV purification loop, which means longer stays off-grid without worrying about fresh water supply. One of the standout features is the Smart Command Hub, a central touchscreen panel that controls every aspect of the motorhome's operation. From here, you can adjust lighting, climate control, energy usage, security settings, and even open or close vents and skylights. It syncs with your smartphone, so you can manage your environment remotely, whether you're hiking or grabbing groceries in town. The system also features voice control via Volvo's own assistant or compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. Entertainment and connectivity haven't been overlooked either. The motorhome includes a satellite internet system with a high-speed 5G fallback, ensuring you're always connected. A 55-inch 4K OLED screen retracts from the main living area wall, and the surround sound system is tuned by Bowers & Wilkins for a true cinematic experience. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or hosting a movie night under the stars with the exterior projector and awning setup, you're well covered. Safety, as expected from Volvo, is top tier. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and drowsiness monitoring. There's also a fire suppression system built into the engine